I'm Tom for Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at using the front panel and menu and the Aeris Lite air purifier. So I got my Aeris Lite. Aeris sent this to me to check out, so thank you. And this has the sailor blue color, so nice navy blue kind of fabric there. HEPA 13 filter, and it's got this really neat kind of minimalist control panel on the front of the unit. So firstly, we've got this LED display. The simplest thing I found is just to switch it into a smart mode. So you just press that little circle, and that way it's going to actually adjust the fan speed based on the air quality in your room. So if the air quality gets worse, it's detecting that with a little sensor down here, and then it'll actually adjust the fan speed of the unit accordingly to purify the air. So if you're cooking and you start to get a lot of smoke in the house, it should switch on up the fan speed and clear that out. There's another function you can activate here by pressing this little moon. It's a night mode. It's going to shut the lights off so it doesn't bother you with those LEDs, and it'll run in a whisper quiet mode, they say. So it's very quiet, and you can hear it's indeed very quiet. The louver opens and closes. If you kind of push this open, you can see the actual filter, and it can feel the airflow going through there. You can also adjust the airflow manually by pushing your finger to the right on this little line here. You can hear it really ramp up, or we can tone it back down by swiping back across. So you can hear it fade back out there. And then you can press your finger anywhere on here for 5 seconds, and it should switch over into the menu. And then we can do these two functions to check the filter. So if we get, this is for the pre-filter and then for the HEPA filter, and we get the little H or P with a check, that means we're good. The Wi-Fi setup here, if we want to set it up with the app that allows you to operate this from your phone, that's definitely helpful. And then you can also engage a child lock setting, and that means that no one can come along and play with this menu or mess with this menu. We'll go back out of the main menu there, and that's the basic menu on there. You can also access this again through Wi-Fi with the app on your phone. I just switched it off. I'll switch it back on, and then I'm going to put it into smart mode and leave it there to purify the air in my room.